Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will define document splitting characteristics for general ledger accounting. So let's go here, go to transaction code SIMG, then press enter, go here financial accounting, general ledger accounting, then business transactions, go to document splitting, and here click on define document splitting characteristics for general ledger accounting. So you can see here characteristics are already there. So I will activate this. I'll click profit center as a mandatory field here, then click on save, continue, continue. It will take some time to update these settings. So here you can see, like, for the profit center field is mandatory activated for the document splitting characteristics for general ledger accounting. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.